The new Siemens decorative hoods are an unexpected highlight in your kitchen. They will impress you with brilliant design and outstanding performance. Now there is a hood for every taste. For a personal statement, you can choose between the flat and the inclined design. The extractor hood can be customized even further with a new range of different background light colors. With the HomeConnect app, even more colors are available. The performance of the IQ drive motor is powerful and quiet at the same time. With Power Boost, the steam catching rate of the extractor hood can be boosted even more by opening the front flap. Thanks to the convenient HomeConnect system, many functions of the extractor hood can be controlled directly from your cooktop. For instance, select the power level with the touch of a finger. With the intelligent climate control sensor, the hood automatically adjusts the right amount of power to the upcoming steam for excellent extraction results. The range of decorative hoods is outstandingly innovative, both in design and in functionality, and guarantees a perfectly pleasant cooking experience. The new Siemens decorative hoods, amazing the eye by upgrading your kitchen.
Siemens, the future moving in.